Making eggplant sauce. These are the eggplants, and I'm going to be making two ways, one with ground meat and the other with mushrooms, you can see, and we have other ingredients we'll be adding to it. So right now, watch out and see how I am going to make this cooking. It's going to be very easy and delicious. It's just two-way, ground meat and all veggie, which is mushrooms. Thank you all, and if today is your first time coming to my channel, you are all welcome. And my name is Joy. Bye for now. So right away, I'm going to be adding this eggplant to the pot. Add just a little bit of water so that it can sit. After it's cooked, we will remove all this crumb. So we just have to let it cook together at least 10 minutes. It's already steamed, then we'll remove it. It is time to start making the sauce. First, we add oil to the pan, and now we're just going to be adding this ground meat. You can use ground beef, ground pork, or even ground chicken. So anyone that you want to use, you can use it. So this ground meat, it has to cook for at least 20 minutes. So it can cook very well before we can add the eggplant to it. So right now we just let it cook here before we start adding all the ingredients. First it has to start cooking. So this is the ground meat. It's cooking so fast. So all we have to do now is to start adding all the ingredients to it. Number one, we have to add onions. This is chopped onions. Just add quantity of onions. Garlic and ginger. And now this is seasoning, just a little bit. Little bit of salt. Dry thyme. Little bit of paprika. And diced chili pepper. So now we're just going to let it sit here and cook for another 10 minutes before we start to add the eggplants. These are all the eggplant. It's cooked. It's time to take it out from the heat. So it's time to make the mushroom sauce. Little bit of oil in the pan, and next we're just going to add onions. We're just going to add this mushroom. This is two types of mushroom, so we just add them together, already washed and sliced. The next we're going to add to it is salt and seasoning, and let it cook together. A little bit of salt, then seasoning. We're going to add a little bit of thyme. So now we're going to let it sit here and cook for at least 5 minutes before we'll add the eggplant. So this is it. The eggplant, you just have to start taking off the casing. It's very easy. Right there. These are the shaft. I'm going to take this one out, and these are the eggplant. To work on this eggplant is very easy. You can use knife, you can use a fork. If you want to use knife, you just go in and start slicing it inside this strainer. Why I use strainer? Because the water from the eggplant will go down here so that it don't become so watery. So you just do it this way, you see. You can do it that way, or you can also use your fork to just chop it together, because it's already cooked, so it's easy. You can see how easy it is. So this is it. This is the mushroom. It's already cooked after 5 minutes. You see how it breaks down. So now we're just going to have some sauce. This guy, the egg, gonna have some to eat. So this is it. So now I'm just gonna go in and add the garlic and ginger. Slice pepper, chili pepper. So this is it. So this is how you make your eggplant mushroom sauce. Very easy. So before now, I already had the salt, the seasoning, and the thyme. I had everything to it. The last two things that I had last is the chili pepper and the garlic and ginger. So you can see it's ready now. Put the ground meat. So now I am going to add the eggplant. Very well cooked. That's it. So now this is the eggplant. So this is after the meat have cooked for 25 minutes, the ground meat. So now I'm adding the. So here we don't have any other thing to add to it. So this is it. It's ready. You can see the eggplant sauce. It's ready. And it's time to serve it. So you can see everything so easy to prep. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cook Show. So right now I want to serve it out. So these are all the sauce. This is ground meat eggplant sauce, while this is mushroom eggplant sauce. So they are ready, and we are ready to serve it. It's time to serve this eggplant sauce. This one is the ground meat sauce. So these are the mushrooms. These are the mushroom sauce. This is it. This is healthy choice. It depends on how you want it. These are all vegetable. If you want the vegetable one. So this is it. You can see how great and wonderful is this food. This is the vegetable one with mushrooms. These are the meat. They are both eggplant sauce. So you are all welcome to my channel, Joy Cook Show. Please do me a favor to subscribe to this